What if I told you your biggest enemy isn't laziness, it's your own brain? Yeah, sounds dramatic, but think about it. How many times have you opened your phone just for 5 minutes and suddenly it's been 2 hours? Exactly. That right there is dopamine addiction, quietly ruining your focus. Let's make this super simple. Dopamine is like your brain's reward signal. Every time you do something fun, scrolling reels, watching memes, eating junk food, your brain goes, nice, do that again. And the problem? Your brain doesn't care if it's useful or useless. It just wants more. So now, instead of enjoying simple things like studying, reading, or even sitting quietly, your brain is like, bro, where's the excitement? Where's the fun? Where's the next hit? And suddenly, normal life feels boring. Ever notice this? You sit to study, and within 2 minutes, your hand automatically reaches for your phone. You open YouTube, then Instagram, then WhatsApp, then somehow end up watching a video about top 10 strangest animals on Earth. Like, how did we even get there? That's not lack of discipline. That's dopamine overload. Your brain has been trained to expect constant entertainment. It's like feeding someone fast food every day and then expecting them to enjoy plain home food. Not gonna happen. Same with your brain. When you keep giving it quick, easy dopamine, short videos, instant likes, endless scrolling, it stops enjoying slow rewards. Things that actually matter, like learning a skill, working on your goals, or building something meaningful, start feeling too hard or too boring. And here's the scary part. This doesn't just waste your time. It rewires your brain. Your attention span gets shorter. Your patience drops. Your focus disappears. You start everything, but finish nothing. Now you might be thinking, okay, but I can't just stop using my phone. Relax. You don't have to become a monk, but you do need to take back control. Start small. Next time you feel like checking your phone for no reason, just pause for 10 seconds. Ask yourself, do I really need this right now, or am I just bored? That tiny pause, it breaks the automatic habit. Another simple trick, make boring things slightly interesting. Studying? Add a timer. Challenge yourself. Work? Do it in short bursts like a game. Your brain loves challenges. And most importantly, reduce the junk dopamine. You don't have to quit everything, just cut it down. Less scrolling, less random videos, less mindless checking. Because here's the truth nobody tells you. Focus isn't something you find, it's something you protect. Every time you choose distraction, you lose a little bit of it. Every time you resist, you build it back. So next time you pick up your phone for no reason, just remember, it's not just stealing your time, it's stealing your ability to focus, to think, and to actually do something meaningful with your life. And trust me, that's a price way too expensive for a few seconds of entertainment.